Good morning and welcome to day 11 of Vlogmas. I'm headed out to get my hair cornrowed or braided, and I did apply some of the makeup. I tried to show you, but I wasn't getting the footage right and I couldn't concentrate. I had to, so I just stopped. So I'm going to step back so you can see my outfit. I am wearing, oh jeez, I'm wearing my Frankie Shop cargo pants. They're the I'm not even sure what this is. I think they're the Mesa. Yeah, they're the Mesa cargo pants, and they come with a matching vest top, which I've since sold because it doesn't really do much. It's a asymmetrical vest, and I don't really get to wear that color next to my face. It doesn't suit me. So I'm wearing that, and I'm wearing this flat. It's cold outside, but it's not that cold. This flat from Franco Sado, I've had it for years, and it's in the orange color, and I just wanted to add that. It's in like burnt orange. I wanted to add that to this color, because to this outfit, because I needed to inject color. Everything is looking neutral, not like that's a bad thing. And of course, I have my Fair Isle sweater from Cars. I have a similar one in the cardigan, and the cardigan is more of a brown base, and this is black. So it's more of the same Fair Isle design, but this is in black, and this is the season to wear it anyway. So this is that. What else? I need to put on lip gloss and need to get my coat. Let me grab that real quick. Here's the lip gloss. It's the Clear Glass Bomb from Fenty Beauty. I had a lip liner on, but never put on a gloss on it. I just feel like wearing a liner today. That's that. I'm just gonna bring it with me. My makeup is looking good. I still have, I need to put on a mascara, but I can do without the mascara really. Everything is looking all dark out there anyways. I don't want to put anything next to my eyes. So for coats, no, for earrings, I'm wearing my Ana Luisa earrings. They're a gift from Ana Luisa, and I love them. And they haven't hurt my ears. And I love something. Sometimes I just don't want to wear a heavy earrings because of my earlobes. I put them through a lot. So if I'm going to be wearing, when I want something to wear for a while, when I'm having like sensitive ears, I usually will put on something that has gold and does not weigh too much. So, and then I rest my ears. Also, I need to grab my coat. It's still a bit chilly outside, and it's not as cold as yesterday. And I have this coat. You've probably seen it on the channel. I have this coat from Banana Republic. It's a wrap coat, and it will do the job, get the job done. You know, it's warm. I love the fact that the sleeves is wide because of when I wear heavy sweaters or knitwear or cardigans, it makes sense for the sleeves to be long, for the sleeves to be big. I think brands should think about that a lot when they're making coats. The only thing I don't like about this is that it doesn't have buttons right there. But I think they just want you to do this. If I can find where I put the button, like button it on top there, and like right here. Okay, secure and fasten the buttons right there. I think I need to have the camera come down a bit or move back. Yeah, you want the scarf to tie around. You know, for this, what I might do is, if not that I was getting my hair done, if I'm staying out for a while, I could just put a brooch on it. Let me see with the brooch on. So I'm gonna add this brooch that I converted myself. The 2 earrings, and I converted. They're too big. I converted it to a brooch. I'm gonna need to take off the coat when I get to the hairdressers, which will mean I'll need to take off the scarf. But I'm not gonna wear it like that. I'll just take this off and just leave the scarf on. And it's funny that I went to the hairdressers last week, but that was for something else, and now I'm going to a different person this week to get this done. okay. And my handbag is going to be my Valentino. I need to take out my kit from my nails that I took to the nail tech yesterday, and that way it makes my bag light. I already washed my hair myself, which will make things go fast. And you can see all my grays. My hair is poofy and poofed out, and that's going to be the look. So for this look, the burnt orange kind of gives it a pop without making it boring. Okay, so this is what the foot looks like. I'm not sure if it showed you the full length, but I'm gonna drag for a while, and I need to take this pants or trousers to my seamstress to have it fixed. I'm tired of having things fixed. They cost money. That's where my money has been going. Having things altered when they're too long or when they're too small and big in the waist. Let me stop rambling and get out of here. So my hair's all done, and now I can go about my day. I really love it. This is more of my style of cornrows, and that way if I wanted to put a custom wig on it, I can. So let's go. Today I'm going to stop by my local TJ Maxx to see if there's anything that catches my eyes, especially for gifts for people. I love to try to pick out gifts, although my main way of giving gifts is just giving people gift cards and cash so they can buy what they want, but sometimes I want to put a thought into it, so I'm going to do just that. Although I think my head is going to be cold. I didn't bring a hat, but the scarf might just be what I'll put on top of it. Let's go. I ended up getting only water. And why did the lady that checked me out at the register ask if I would like to open a credit card so that I can save 10%? The water was $1.50. I just didn't respond. If I responded, I would have insulted her basically. Like, I know you're required to say that to every customer, but for $1.50 water, by the way, it's freezing. I just had to cover my head because this is the disadvantage of having my hair braided like this. And thank God for the scarf. I should have brought a hat. I didn't realize that it was gonna get this cold. But now I'm heading home. But before I head home, I need to go grab a cup of coffee, a very hot one, to make me warm. Then get home. I still haven't put up the lights. I bought some lights from Hobby Lobby yesterday. I still haven't put it up, and I have to find time to do it. Just whether I just have to find time to do it and get outside and do it in the cold. And what else do I have to tell you? I guess that's it. Let me go grab coffee so I can think straight. So coffee in hand, and now we can go. I just got it black because that's what it needs right now. So we're back to the advent calendar, and this is day 11. So 11's not up here, and we're almost finished with the Clarence advent calendar because it's only up to 12 days and we've gone through everything. I've been enjoying all of it so far. So let me stop rambling and get to number 11 right here. Number 11 is right there, and can you guess what it is? I know it's some more skincare. Okay, so it's the Cryo Flash Cream Mask. It's the Instant Tightening, Firming, and Glow Booster. So that's going to be a good one. I'll see. I love masks, especially on self-care days. So 11 is there. We have one more day of the Clarence. Okay, let's put that back. So that's like coming to get a gift every day. I wish I can be opening up a gift every day. That's that for Clarence. And for the 24 jars, the tea, or Palais de tea, we have on number 11 is right there. And let's get to it. Oh, that'll be something for me to drink tomorrow morning. That'll be a great tea. And it's the Jardin Tropical. It's a tropical garden. It's an exotic fruit. Exotic. I think I pronounced that wrong. It's an exotic fruit. And so that's good. It'll be a nice flavorful tea to have tomorrow morning. So that's for Palais de tea. I've been enjoying all of this, and I need to kind of figure out which of these teas is my favorite. But I've been keeping the wrap so that I'll remember. So on to L'Occitane. L'Occitane, that's more skincare. And number 11 is right here. So we're in this room for we're back to number 1. We were in this room for number 1. So we're back here. It looks like a small one too. So this room is not all that big. It just shows like 2 items are there, but a perfumed body lotion. I love perfumed body lotion, especially if they are based to a perfume I'm gonna wear. So that's it for the advent calendar. So we've come to get 3 gifts.